install Selflok natural weatherboards. Some of the many features and benefits of Selflok Vgroove are as follows. 100% natural with no chemicals, no glues, resins, chemical binders or dangerous silica dust. Unique lapping system. Flexible and strong. No silicone or adhesives required. Standard carpentry tools. Platinum green tag rating. Versatile and lightweight. If left unsealed, Weathertex natural ranges will start to lighten and silver off like timber. Before we get started, here is a list of the tools you'll need for the installation. Nail gun and ND50 SS brad nails. Compound miter saw. Optional plunge cut circular track saw. Measuring tape and square. Hearing and eye protection. Spirit level. Remember, every project is different, so this video is to be used only as a guide. Always refer back to Weathertex for the most up-to-date installation manual. Weathertex may be installed on timber or steel stud frames, with a maximum stud spacing of 600mm centers. The Selflok weatherboards will allow for a curved wall installation down to 2.5 meter radius, which will be demonstrated in this video. The first step is installing the building wrap. Make sure to use a vapor permeable membrane as specified in the Weathertex installation manual. The membrane is usually installed using clips or staples as shown. It is important to ensure the building wrap is pulled tight to the frame and the recommended horizontal overlaps are maintained. Once the sarking is attached to the frame, Weathertex aluminium corner accessories are attached to the frame through both flanges at 1200mm. One of the great features of using Weathertex is its flexibility and strength, while still being a lightweight product. You can see here how easily it flexes for curved applications. With the wall preparation complete, we are ready to start laying planks. Weathertex is made from natural hardwood timber and is 100% free of chemical resins and glues. It is simple and safe to cut using standard carpentry tools like a compound miter saw. Starting at a corner, insert the first plank end into the aluminium accessory. Using a spirit level, make sure it is level before fastening off. ND50 stainless steel brad nails provide the best finish for the natural product, and the small T-heads hide in the surface feature of the plank. Planks are face fastened with 2 fixings per stud, one 30mm and one 170mm from the bottom edge of the plank. The self-locking edge is designed to easily clip and align with the plank below, allowing for fast, simple and accurate installation. Where plank joints are required, Selflok Natural must be butt joint on stud. A 45-degree miter will provide a low-profile control joint and is easily cut with a compound miter saw. Cut the ends off both planks to be joined and align the joint in the center of the stud. Loosely butt planks together before fastening off either side of the joint as normal. To prevent the colored building wrap from showing through on stud butt joints, it is recommended to back the joint with a black strip of alcohol flashing. To install the planks around a window, always refer to the window manufacturer's flashing guide and flashing details on the Weathertex website. A circular track saw and compound miter saw makes it easy to cut planks to fit around windows. Generally, the rubber sill flap must overlap the weatherboard below the window, and planks may butt directly into the window flange on each side of the window. The top plank will need to be cut to fit the window head flashing, which must be installed at the top of the window. Measure the required cuts, and using the miter saw and a circular track saw, make the necessary cuts to fit the plank at the top of the window. Wall sarking should overlap the window flashing to ensure moisture ingress is properly shed from the wall. Creating a plank joint above the window makes it easy to slide the window head flashing into place. Fix off planks as normal with additional fasteners at the top and bottom plates of the window. Where possible, planning installation so a full width plank is installed at the top of the windows can simplify the process of installing the head flashings. As you can see, Selflok's unique lapping system makes it both easy and fast to install and creates a very contemporary look. Being versatile and lightweight, it can flex around curved surfaces, and best of all, it's 100% natural with no chemicals. We hope you enjoyed this installation video. For more technical and product information, visit weathertex.com.au. Timber made perfect, naturally.